will go to court tomorrow. We're going to get ready to go to court. We say thank you to all. He will order the arrest of the Wontumi go to Accra. Indeed, we don't need to unnecessarily increase the political temperature in the country.
The fight against Galamsey has become one of the most crucial things that the nation is battling with. Now, people are guessing, say, is the nation doing well when it comes to the fight against Galamsey or what? Or it is some political assumptions that is being speculated within the system. You know, here is the BJ show. You do well to subscribe, you share the link, tell us about the BJ show, and the next thing is you do well to leave a comment. All this matter is about Chairman Wontumi. As I'm talking to you, Chairman Aduma on the 7th of October 2025, Chairman Wontumi will be before the court. Yes, because the Attorney General prepared his docket and some of the allegations and other charges are Yedebo Chairman Wontumi say 1 for illegal mining, 2 for destroying waters, and then 3 mining without what license. From last year, many people have been talking about Galamsey na Chairman Wontumi ho ajimu na dinyo ba fi we de emi say amfa man chairman. Here is the BJ show. Yenti asema lawyer and the appeal could be Chairman Wontumi's lawyer Edutuja.
Quite a number of hours now. What happened and what's the update so far?
The update is that we will go to court tomorrow. We're going to get ready to go to court. We say thank you to all of you who have been here with us. And let us also congratulate the police system for being so professional in the discharge of their responsibility. We also take this opportunity to congratulate the Attorney General who has facilitated all this. I will see you in court tomorrow.
Has there been fair cooperation so far? And what are the charges?
Well, the charges are in mining areas, mining without license and all that, but we will discuss that tomorrow in court. But let me commend all of you. And Chairman has been, as you have seen, being very composed and expecting that tomorrow we go to court and all of us will help the court in taking a decision that is judicious.
Can I imagine you are maintaining your innocence?
We are not supposed to prove innocence. Our job is to allow prosecution to finish and then we will come in with our response. It could be submission of no case, could be a defense to the allegation.
So that's lawyer and the appeal could be a somebody can do piano. But before that, the lawyer make a assembly say we should reduce the temperature of political this thing we said then. You know, lawyer made this suggestion because right now they see the thing to be some political interference, but rather not the fight against Galamsey. And also a lawyer and the appeal could be because we know this man's on assembly and on time in Tino.
So it is incorrect for anybody to suggest that we have been lukewarm to the invitations from the Attorney General's office. I know that the Director General works for the Attorney General in terms of prosecution. So I consider the discourse between my good self or my office and the Director General's office as equally by extension to the Attorney General's office. So I am sure there was some communication gap that resulted in this impasse. But I want to express my disappointment in the warning that the refusal to defer the meeting. The warning was that it should Chairman Wontumi fail to appear. He will order the arrest of Chairman Wontumi go to Accra. Indeed, we don't need to unnecessarily increase the political temperature in the country. We have not at any point in time decided or refused to respond to invitations. And you see, the law is also that anybody, accused person or a suspect ought to be given adequate time, preparation, and even resources to be able to prepare his defense to any charges prepared against him. And then let us also not forget that accused person is not considered guilty until proven so, and therefore he has to have a right to his civil liberties. Indeed, when we go to the court, the bail police inquiry bail continues up to the point that the charges are filed in court, and then we make an application to the court for the bail to continue, and we will justify that with our performance so far during the time of the bail, and also capacity of Wontumi as a person, Ghanaian, and a very known character, and somebody of substance in society. And then we'll make a case of his right to bail, first one to our application for bail. So we are early days yet. So far, 2 points that I can emphasize. We have not been charged so far. We are waiting any charges, if any. And we have been granted police inquiry bail. And we have responded to all invitations, all, and I want to emphasize, all invitations we have responded. It is also right in our practice that if for any reason you cannot respond, you make an application to the authority inviting you and indicating the reasons why you cannot respond at that given time, and also pray for an agreed time, which will be the time for both parties to be able to present themselves, and then we continue with investigations or prosecution. So we will always be dutiful in responding to calls from authority in all cases where my client is involved in either investigation or in prosecution. I thank you very much for your attention this morning, and I also thank you for the diligence that you attach to this particular case. We are trying to develop the law, all of us together. It is our responsibility as practitioners to ensure that we collaborate even in the courtroom to ensure there is a judicious decision coming from the court itself. Myself, I will be an officer of the court. Attorney General is the principal lawyer in the country.
So we pray that at the end of the day, for the country, for God, and then for the motherland, Ghana, things will go well. And then if this is political assumptions being so and I say some political workings be there. By this time around, we are talking about the land, and then let us put politics aside. And if Chairman Wontumi is being found guilty of it, there nobody has anything to say. But at the end of the day, next Attorney General could deep for the Yankas will be there for us, so Timi could do, and also we are here. You know, here is the BJ show. You do what to subscribe, you share the link, tell us about the BJ show, and the next thing is you do what to leave a comment.